We are going to see distribution of population. Here in right side it is given one picture, in that it is for every 100 people in the world, not it is representatives of each and every continent. Yellow color it shows lives in Asia, red color orange color shows lives in Europe, and blue color in Africa, and light blue color purple color in Africa, blue color in South America, Central and South America, then red color red color in Northern America, then green color that is in Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific Island. So we can see when it is the Asian continent having the maximum population, and next comes the European continent, African continent, then comes Europe, then South America, then North America, then comes the New Zealand, Australia, that side. So let us see. In the way in which people are spread over the earth's surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. Please underline, in which way the people we are spread on the earth's surface. We know if we are going from here to Salem or some other area, other city, we can see on the way some area it is thickly populated and some other area kept for agriculture purpose. So in that way, how the people are living in the earth's surface, that is known as the pattern of population distribution. More than 90% of the world's population lives in about 30% of the land surface. We are making use only 30% of the land surface. Some 30% it is mountain area, so that we can't live, and about 30%, not 30, less than that, desert area there also we can't live. Like that some areas are there, so we are making use only 30% of the land for living purpose. The distribution of the population in the world is extremely uneven. Some area are very crowded and some are sparsely populated. The crowded area are South and Southeast Asia, Europe and Northeastern North America. Very few people live in high latitude areas, tropical desert, high mountains and areas of equatorial forest, because it is the rainforest, it is very difficult to live that area. So we can see where we are seeing the maximum people, that is in the South and Southeast Asia, because it is very good climate to live when we are comparing with other some area. Then comes the northeastern part of North America, then Europe. We can see in these three continents having the maximum people, or in the some part of the continent we are living densely, many people living together. Then why people are not living in some other area, which area we are not living, we are not preferring to live high latitude area, tropical desert, because the climate is not suitable to live in a peaceful life. That's why we are not preferring like that area. Then many more people live north of the equator than the south of the equator. Maximum people, even India or like that countries, if you are looking, we can see maximum people we are living in northern part of the equator, not in the southern part. Almost 3/4 of the world's population live in two continents, Asia and Africa, that we already have seen here in the picture. Means maximum people from Asia, then comes from Africa. So why it is? Because of many reasons are there, climate or job security, like there many reasons are there. We can see the 1/3 of the almost 3/4, means 3/4 of the population living in Africa and Asian continent. Then 60% of the world population stay in just 10 countries. We know the total population where nowadays, especially because of this corona, we have getting the report every day what is the population and like that things. So within 10 countries that we are having the what we can say 60% of the people living in just how many countries? 10 countries. We can see that one in the map. China is first, then India, then USA, then Indonesia, then Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Russian Federation and Japan. In that China, India, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Japan. 6 countries from Asian continent, then USA and Brazil from American continents, then comes Nigeria from African continent, then Russian Federation from European continent. From all continent we are having the representation, but maximum from 6 countries from Asian continent. Then here next one, density of population. What is the next topic? That is density of population. Population density is a number of people living in unit area of the earth surface. Normally we will call it square kilometer. In 1 square kilometer, how many people living? That is known as the density of population. Please underline first sentence. Then second sentence, it is normally expressed as per square kilometers. In 1 square kilometer, how many people living? That is known as density of population. The average density of the population of the whole world is 51% per square kilometers. When we are going to see the other countries, what it is the condition, then you will come to know what is the condition of India and other some countries like Japan and Singapore, like that area. Okay, the average density of the population average in the world, that is 51. South Central Asia has the highest density of population, followed by East and Southeast Asia. Let us come to the left side of your textbook. Average density of population in India, that is 382% per square kilometers. How many? 382. World average it is just 51. Okay, so if you are looking to the other countries like Singapore, Japan, like that some other countries, it is more than 1000 per square kilometers. Then think India, we are specially living, and when we are comparing with like that countries, even though their countries are very small, but highly number of people as well as density is very high. Then next topic, factors affecting the distribution of population. Why we are having the uneven population in different area, that we are going to see. First reason, geographical factors. Second reason, socio cultural economical pattern. So let us see geographical factors. Topography, then second one climate, next one soil, next one water, next one minerals. When we started to study history, Indian history about Janpadas, Mahajanpadas in 6th standard, or when we thought about the people, those who started to live, the tribals and other things in 7th standard, we have seen that one. They started their life near to the rivers, where they are having the water facility or good climate or the availability of the mineral, like the different things they was thinking. According to that, they started their life. We have seen Harappan civilization or the Paleolithic age, Stone Age and other things. That time also we have discussed all these points. Okay, so let us see one by one. Topography. People always prefer to live on plain rather than the mountain and plateau, because these areas are suitable for farming, manufacturing and populated area of the world, while mountain like Andes, Alps and Himalaya are sparsely populated. Normally we are preferring to live in a plain area than the mountain area. So we can many reasons are there. First of all, transportation, like that things, it is very difficult, and agriculture also difficult. So we know that one, it is very difficult to live, and the other services, the banking, like that services, they won't get if the topography is not good. And even the company, they can't start their companies there or factories there, or the making the road or railway, that also difficult. Then we can see, if you are thinking about the Indian situation, Ganga plains are mostly densely populated area of the world, while mountains like and hence Alps and Himalaya are sparsely populated because they are the hill region. It is difficult to reach there. Next one, climate. People usually avoid extreme climates that are very hot or very cold, like Sahara Desert, polar regions of Russia, Canada, and Antarctica. So it is very difficult to live with the extreme climate. When we are looking to Indian situation, those who are living in Himachal Pradesh or Arunachal Pradesh or UP, that area, they are facing the extreme climate, and then also they are living there. And when we are looking to the maximum population in India, that is in UP, even though with extreme climate they are living there, but when we are thinking about desert area of Rajasthan, very less people they are living because of the desert area. It is very difficult to get the services or water or the proper food and other things. Then next one, it is soil. Because we want to do cultivation, for that purpose we are preferring the good fertile soil area. Fertile soil provides suitable land for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Haonghe, Changjiang in China, and Nile in Egypt are densely populated area because the presence of the river, and we are getting the fertility or the alluvial soil every year with the help of the water flow of the rivers. That's why people, we are preferring to live near to the fertile land or where we can do proper agriculture. Next one, water. People prefer to live in the area where fresh water is easily available. The river valley of the world are densely populated while deserts are sparse population. We have seen that when we compared UP, it is thickly populated and Rajasthan is not. Both are plain area. And in UP we are having the presence of many rivers and plain area, and suitable, not that much suitable when we are comparing with South India, not that much, but then also they can live there. Okay climate, not that much. Okay, then water availability because of Ganga river and its tributaries, like that many things we can see. So the river valleys, they are densely populated. Then minerals. Areas with the minerals deposits are more populated. Diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East lead to the setting of people in these areas. According to the presence of minerals, people also moving to that area because they will get the maximum job opportunities. Then socio-cultural economical factors. First one, social. Areas for better housing, education, health facilities are more densely populated. We can see Pune, Bangalore, like that area. It is because social reasons are there. They are getting better housing facilities, better education, better health facility, like that area. Even when you are speaking to your grandparents, why your grandparents came to city? Because your grandparents want to teach your parents. For that purpose they may migrated to city area, and still their grandparents, after your parents study, they may went back to your own city, own village, and they are doing their farming work there now. Okay, then next one, the cultural reasons. Place with the religion or cultural significance attract people. Varanasi, Jerusalem, Vatican City are some of the example. The people, those who are thinking about religion or cultural significance, according to that also we know the here in Palani, like that, where there is temples, nearby that many people they are coming and settling. Next one, economic. Industrial area provides employment opportunities. Large number of people are attracted to this area. Osaka in Japan, Mumbai in India are the two densely populated areas in the world because we are having maximum job opportunities. We have studied already about Osaka in last lesson, so we can understand why it is like that. In Osaka many people settled, and in India maximum factories, it started in Mumbai area, so many people migrated to that area, for the sake of job opportunities. Okay, we will continue in next video.